But he had a friend who was in a bar and drinking, and all of a sudden he got in an argument with some guy. They go outside. The guy throws a punch. He ducks. He hits the guy falls down, hits his head on a planter, and dies. This guy, who was just sitting at a bar having a drink, spent 6 years in prison. Okay, felony manslaughter. So the point of all that shit is you avoid the fight. So you have to learn, there's a few things that people are going to say. For example, you're going to say to me, what the hell or what the heck are you looking at, okay? Go ahead.
What the hell are you looking at?
Angry.
What the hell are you looking at?
That shirt, man. Where'd you get that shirt? Yeah. That's a really cool shirt. I like that. And it stops the whole thing, okay? How about, what's your problem?
What's your problem?
My dad died last night, and I just came in here. My wife left me. I just came in here to, okay. Are you looking at my girl?
Are you looking at my girl?
Is her name Madeline? Because she sure looks like Madeline. I used to grow up. Is her name Madeline? Is she your girlfriend? God, you're lucky. Let me buy you a drink. That is the one that you have to learn almost as much as learning how to defend yourself. Is to avoid all that bullshit, because you don't want to spend 6 years in prison just because you hit a dude and he falls down and hits his head on a planter. All right?
Sir.
Verbal jujitsu. Learn it. And just teach your students this stuff. Work with them on it so that they spend a little bit of time learning how to get out of those dumb shit fights that you don't want to get into. All right?